Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Central Machinery 30-inch bending brake that I picked up from Harbor Freight for like 48 bucks after my 20% discount. I'm going to be using this to bend this 16 gauge diamond plate aluminum sheet, which I'm going to be putting on my what do you call it, my quick jack motorcycle platform or stand that I made. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and go ahead and set it up and see how well it does with bending that sheet metal over there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. It looks like instructions, not very much. Alright, there's one plate. Comes wrapped in a plastic with looks like some packing oil to keep, I guess, from getting rusted. Two handles right there. And there's the actual brake itself. Let's see. Now this is kind of heavy also. I guess that's to make sure that it helps with bending the metal. Now some of the paint came off from the plastic. I need a rag here to wipe my hands. But okay. I'm just wiping off the preservative oil that they put on here to keep the metal from rusting. Now this other plate, this looks like the die. Kind of hard to pick it up, but it's alright. Slide it off to the edge here. Wipe it down. Both sides. Alright. So, this side over here. Flip this over. Wipe this off. Alright. Here are the two handles. Okay. So now it has 4 mounting holes, 2 on each side, and I guess that's for like mounting on like a bench top, a wooden bench top. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill a couple of holes. I'm going to put it right there on the edge because that's where the 2x4 is on my platform. I'm going to mark it. With my black Sharpie here. I'm going to go ahead and set this off to the side. Take my drill and pre-drill my holes. The drill size that I went with is slightly smaller than this screw right here that I'm going to use to attach that onto my platform. And that way I can ensure that it gets attached pretty good, because you're going to be pulling up on it. Drill off to the side. Bring this back. Put it on where it's supposed to be. Okay. Already got my drill set. I'm going to go ahead and zip these down. Zip down. Go ahead and pause for a minute. Alright, so the next step is to take your material that you're going to bend and you're going to score it to where the size of the bend that you want. And in my case, I put a marker line across where I needed it, which is like 3 inches, which is going to be the overhang for here over this. And then you take the pressing plate, which is this plate here, and line up the most forward edge. Can't see it there. Let's see, on an angle. No, can't see it. But anyway, the bottom edge sticks out further than the top edge here. So you take that, put it on the line, and then you take some clamps. Like these, or you can use C-clamps too, that'll work, and clamp it down. Let's see. Go ahead and clamp it down. Make sure that you're still lined up here. That's the edge of the bending plate, and same on the other side. I know it's dark so you can't barely see it, but make sure it's lined up. And it says in the instructions, if you're bending 17 gauge material, to give it another 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the tripod and go ahead and bend it. Sorry about that. I was trying to go ahead and get it started, and as I was walking around, I kicked the tripod leg. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bend it. First time using one of these, and looks pretty simple instruction wise. Like I said, this diamond plate is 1/16 inch thick, or 16 gauge, and it says I should be able to do it no problem. So first time bending it, and see how it goes. Well, you got to use a little force, but so far so good. And it's not moving. The press plate isn't moving, and you can keep bending it until you get the desired angle. And what I'm looking for is a 90 degrees. And I think that looks good. Let me get my trusty square here and we'll check it. Now this bending platform is slightly pitching inward, but I'm going to go ahead and call that good, and then I'll go ahead and check it again. As you can see, I have my little square on it, my machine square, and inside corner is almost dead on 90. Now I'm going to check it with the outside. Alright, so here's the outside 90. I don't know if you can see that. And being a diamond plate, you got to find a flat surface to get it on, but it looks pretty good. Yep, I mean, that looks pretty good for what I need it for. Like I said, not a machine shop. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up and bend the other side and then check for a fit. Alright, so I went ahead and bent the other side. Now I'm going to check. Damn it, did it again. Gotta watch where I'm stepping. Alright, here we go. Let's try that again. So I bent the other side here. Now taking my measurement on the inside, and I have exactly 30 inches, which is the distance of my platform, the width rather. And now I'm going to go ahead and check for fit and see how it fits. Wow, look at that. Fits like a glove. Let me go ahead and get you a close-up. Wow, look at that. I mean, that bend was right on. Holy crap. And I got 3 more sheets to do like this and then 1 to cut. But that looks awesome. Here's a view from the other side, and you can see that that bend came out awesome. So I'd say for this bender here, it's a win, guys. So if you need to bend some sheet metal like I did, go ahead and pick you one up of these and you'll be happy. Alright, thanks guys. Please give it a like, rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.